People, so we're back with another one. Hope you all been staying safe and staying free and had a good week ready for this weekend. Now this one that I'm bringing to you all today is all about how to make money whilst inside a prison. So let's get into it. So number one, first up, you have to where you're able to open up a shop, but in order to do this you're going to need to do at least 1 to 2 big canteen spends to where you can just stock up and then open shop. Or if not, you're going to need the bare minimum of shower gels, packs of noodles, to disposable vape caps, to where you can give prisoners 1 for 2 back or 1 for 3, whatever method you're working your shop. But it does come with headaches, as you are going to need to chase up people on Friday canteen that ain't come true, that's due you, and you're going to have to keep on tabs on everyone on the wing that's taking stuff off you until Friday canteen. It's just headaches. Now number two, you have where I was locked up in my category A prison, and I've not seen anything like it. It was like some American shit off the TV, and this dude was using his brain to where he knew he was crafty with his hands, and he came up with this idea of designing and crafting on vape pens. So if there was a design you wanted, he would do it on your vape pen, design it and then craft it. Or if you've seen one of his designs, you could buy it. Now number three, you have to where every prison has that one good drawer that will always be in their cell drawing, or keeping to themselves on the wing drawing on, on a table. Now everyone will go to them to get designs for tattoos done on the outside, to artwork that they might have seen them draw and wanted to buy, or something that they're wanting drawn up. Now number four, you have to where you got the barbers that work in the barber shop, and you will have to wait on a list 1 to 2 weeks to get seen by a barber to get a lineup or a haircut. Now if you've got a barber on your wing and you're a barber or whatever it is, then you can just obviously tell them, yo, I want to line up or my hair done, and they just say, cool, I want this off the canteen, and then that's it sorted. Now number five is to where I was gonna call this gambling, but it's actually hustling, as I've seen this in both prison that I was in, to where prisoners will gamble that one valuable object that they have, or their puddings, whatever it is, and they will come out to play snooker, pool, table tennis, to hustle, and they will come back with packs of noodles and whatever it is. Now number six, I kept it for last, and that's for the selling drugs. Of course you could sell drugs, but it's just headaches, just like with the canteen, opening shop. You've got to chase people down on a Friday that ain't come true, that ain't put money into your bank, from ain't coming through on the canteen stuff, and it's just headaches. And then you gotta play a hide and seek game with the screws too, and it's just all risk. Now there is another method, which is a new one that's came in, and it wasn't in at the time when I was in prison, even though my cellie had a phone. But people now are getting in phones and selling phones, so you could buy yourself it was a Samsung S6 when I was locked up for £500. So there's always ways and methods of making money inside of prison. And like, with the day and age we're living in, with what's going on inside a prison, there's a lot of money that's being made inside a prison, as everything on the streets on the outside inside a prison is always worth 10 times as much. So just think about that. If you got something and it's a little pouch of tobacco that might cost £30, outside, but inside a prison you're talking about £200, depending on how you break it down and sell it. So I hope you all have enjoyed the video. Do drop a comment if you think I've missed out a method. Do stay safe and stay free.